Welcome to Lyra Clinical. Discover the ultimate solution, volumizing and nourishing dry, dehydrated, and rosacea skin conditions, restorative plant stem cells, vitamin C, and exclusive MASQ-tech illuminating technology exhilarates healthy cell activity while strengthening skin's immune response, protecting the epidermal microbiome balance. Reduce skin redness, inflammation, and irritation through this unique combination of mandelic acid, hyaluronic acid, and marine extracts. Lyra Clinical's Exhilarate treatment is designed to target dry, dehydrated, and rosacea skin conditions. Let's take a look at this bright, beautiful treatment. Upon a completed and signed consent form, cleanse skin with the MYSTIQ Illuminating Cleanser, applying to dry skin. Massage into the skin for approximately 1 minute, removing eye makeup if applicable, then removing with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. Next, perform a second cleanse with the Enzyme cleanser, working into the skin with a stimulating massage. Remove with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. Enzyme cleanser is eyelash extension safe and will not compromise the integrity of lash adhesives. Now we begin the skin detox process by applying the ice refining mask to the skin. Clients will feel a cooling feeling with this charcoal and kaolin-based mask. Allow the skin to rest for approximately 10 minutes, pulling impurities out of the skin. Do not remove the mask. Then, apply the MYSTIQ lifting mask on top, massaging it into the skin. Allow the skin to rest for an additional 15 minutes, then remove the mask mixture with a tepid barber towel or cleansing sponges. To exfoliate, begin at the forehead, applying the Vita Brite with either gauze or a fan brush. Down and around the perimeter of the face, down the nose, across the cheeks, and finishing on the chin and upper lip last. Allow the skin to rest for 1 to 2 minutes, and do not remove the solution. Then, apply a half of a dropper full of pure hyaluronic acid all over the skin, allowing the skin to rest for 3 to 5 minutes, watching for erythema. Then remove the mixture with cool water until no activity is felt on the skin and the solution is neutralized. Now we apply 4 drops of the Lite serum, working into the skin, reducing redness and preventing hyperpigmentation formation. This is one of the most popular retail products with a combination of MASQ-tech illuminating technology, brightening peptides, and hexylresorcinol. Next, apply the Biohydra Serum, nourishing and balancing the skin with vitamin C, topical probiotics, and restoring plant stem cells. As the #1 retail product in the United States, Biohydra Serum is your go-to hydrator, pairing beautifully with the Lite Serum. Calm and hydrate skin with the luxury Biohydra Infusion. This hyaluronic acid serum also utilizes colloidal silver, gold, and designer peptides for the ultimate in healing hydration. A must-have product for dry rosacea and post-CIT treatments. Now we move on to the eyes and lips. Gently massage the MYSTIQ Perfecting Eye Cream into the eye area, around the orbital bone and up to the lash line, hydrating skin, reducing puffiness, brightening skin, and reducing dark circles. Apply the Bio Lip Factor to lips for a slightly glossy finish, or the BB Lip Balm, giving lips a kiss of color with SPF 15 protection, volumizing peptides, and topical probiotics. Finish the Exhilarate treatment by choosing your client's preferred daily sun protection of either the SPF Solar Shield 30 line or BB Crème color of choice. Use a pat and roll application, working from the inside out to the hairline. Lyra Clinical's BB creams are formulated with a breathable barrier, immediately calming skin redness and inflammation, while initiating the healing process. Its non-transferable formulation is your all-in-one SPF, hydrator, anti-aging, and makeup coverage product. Thank you for joining us today. For further information on Lyra Clinical treatments, products, continuing education, or to open a professional account, please visit our website at www.lyraclinical.com, or you may contact customer service directly at 877-440-5472 or via email at info@lyraclinical.com. Thank you for choosing Lyra Clinical. Be bright, be beautiful.